You can request that search engines exclude your website from their search results, while still leaving it available for your visitors to access. Web crawlers are a type of bot used by search engines to scan and index the content of websites across the internet so that those websites can appear in search results. If you would like to exclude your site from search results, you can do so by logging into your site and navigating to the Crawlers panel and toggling the switch off. Here, you can also disable AI crawlers, which are used by artificial intelligence companies to train their large language models to improve accuracy and general capabilities. Additionally, you can exclude individual pages from search engines by toggling the switch off from within the SEO tab of your page settings. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.